Hola, mi nombre es Gabriela Gutiérrez Burgoa y soy artista visual y artista del tatuaje hace 23 años. En esta oportunidad estoy muy feliz de haber presentado mi obra con diferentes artistas internacionales. En esta colección que tengo acá es denominada Pandemia Kepler, ya que Kepler es un científico que estudia los movimientos de la Tierra, también estudia todo lo que significa planetas, etc. Kepler indica de que la pandemia es muy importante para la evolución del espíritu, para la evolución del ser humano y en sí de toda la creación. He decidido en esta oportunidad presentar mi obra, ya que la conciencia que he podido aprender durante 8 años de las escrituras védicas me ha llevado a entender de que es muy elevada para los seres humanos y es importante. Y bueno, en esta mi otra colección que se llama La música y el lenguaje del alma, es una fusión de instrumentos musicales con toda la conexión orgánica que existe en la tierra y con la creación de la divinidad.
Hi, I am Dr. Ashi Verma. I have not studied art much. Actually, I have done my MBBS and then MD in forensic medicine. But in that time when I was doing my MD, I had a rough patch in my life. And at that time, I was taking therapy. So my therapist had told me कि आप express नहीं कर पा रहे हो and you should pursue your hobby जो बचपन से करते थे. You should continue it now. बीच में जो पढ़ाई की वजह से सब छूट गया था. So then I started making art again and it was nice. I felt very relieved. उसके through काफ़ी express किया मैंने. And so there's a story like one day I had made this piece initially. She's 17 and one of my friends called me out of my room and said, come out in the hall, देखो क्या हो रहा है. हॉल में पार्टी चल रही थी and those RGB lights were on and people were dancing looking at this piece. And that made me realize that, okay, this is a trippy painting. In RGB lights it looks different and it's very captivating. So people were just dancing to that one painting. I thought कि अब मैं ऐसे ही सिर्फ अपनी खुशी के लिए आर्ट नहीं बनाऊंगी, कुछ मीनिंग देते हैं इसको. तो फिर मैंने सोचा RGB लाइट्स पार्टी फ्रेंडली होती है पेंटिंग्स अगर उस तरीके की बनाई जाए तो मैंने फिर वैसा काम करना स्टार्ट किया. कोइंसिडेंटली मैंने इसमें 7 कलर्स यूज़ किए थे. तो मैंने फिर मेरा एक दोस्त है सो आई वांटेड टू सपोर्ट द LGBTQ कम्युनिटी. सो उसके बाद फिर मैंने जानबूझ के 7 कलर्स यूज़ करके पेंट करना स्टार्ट किया. सो दीज 2 works are supporting that community, our LGBTQ community, and I am an ally. So the whole piece is called as Trip, which denotes my journey as well as it's similar to coming out, the journey that LGBTQ people have to go through. It's a rough patch that everybody has to go through alone in their lives and they themselves have to do it. Nobody else can do it for them. But that journey is important. Expression of yourself is very important. And it has a lot of emotions, anger, pain, shame, but then you have to let it out. So through this figure, Trip, I want to express all of those emotions. In the end, once you are done, there has to be victory. End of the road, there will be light. That I want to tell through this. And I have made Trip in more of my pieces. but this is the first one and it's the most significant one so far. Next is this piece. It is called as Distraction. And so this is called as Distraction, and there was a time in my life when I wanted to be distracted. I did not want to face the reality of my life, the true challenges. That's when I had made this, and I hope that the feeling of distraction is caught in the painting. For that, I have used pour technique. This is again acrylic on canvas, but distract करने के लिए viewers को I have tried to use different angles, वो pour का flow अलग अलग तरीके से दिखाने के लिए, प्लस जो भी इसमें पेंट है उन सब की कंसिस्टेंसी अलग है. दैट इज़ वाई आप कोई भी इंच देखें इस पेंटिंग का तो उसमें पैटर्न अलग है, एंड दैट sort of distracts the viewers and you can easily get lost in this one. So that is Distraction for you. And then there is, by the end of my journey, I was feeling good, so I made this one. It's called Found. I had made another one called Lost, but that's not on display. And this one has been purchased by Mr. Shri Roop Chand. हमारे चेयर यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट आए थे अभी यहाँ पे. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि उनको ये पसंद आया. सो इट्स कॉल्ड एज फाउंड एंड इट अगेन डिनोट्स द एंड ऑफ द जर्नी व्हेन यू find yourself. You have to stand up for yourself, and that is the light at the end of the road, denoted by this one. And this is again a very nice, close to my heart piece. It's called as Peace. So that is why I have used white here to denote the sense of serenity, peace, calm that you find when all of those emotions are out and you're done now. Now you are at peace with yourself. So that is my whole display here today.